Hi, this is my video for Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi lesson number 50, modifying OpenCV images and creating regions of interest. I won't bother with the program, I'll just run it and show you what's happening. Right, that's my video, and what I'm doing in this video is I'm overlaying part of the screen with a part of another image. So to prove that's the camera, that's me, hello, hello, then if I press T to do the teddy overload, as if by magic he's changed to another one. Now that isn't quite straight, you can see up here that the camera's moved slightly, but then I can choose another TED, and you can tell that that is an overlay because my hand is in the camera and that's the overlay. But if I'd done it a bit more carefully, I might be able to get that slightly better. Now I'm making it a lot worse. There. Oh, no. Oh well, that's about as good as you could get. So I've got little orange TED, little green TED, little purple TED, little pink TED, and little blue TED. And then I can unoverlay it, and that's about it for that video. Now I'm going to pause because we'll look at the program now. So I'll get out of this, get out of the shell. Now the program, what I do is I have previously recorded a picture of each of the TEDs, and I'm reading them in there, and then I just reading in from the camera, and if overlay, I toggle whether you want to overlay with T. So if I want to overlay, I choose the selected TED picture and put it on top, and that's Q to break, and then key equals or T, overlay equals not overlay, and then I'm just picking the right TED picture. That's all very, very simple. And to create the TED pictures, very similar program. I've got all the bits at the beginning, and all I do is I display a message saying position TED and press C, and then I could show it in action if you wanted, but I won't call it TEDs. I will call it test, because I don't want to overwrite my TED pictures. So we'll run this, and it says position TED and press C. So if I press C, there, it's taken one picture. C again. See, oh, little purple TED wants to come in. See, he looks a bit more blue, and pink TED. Right, 5 pictures for 5 TEDs, and if you want to look at the pictures, I will just go into here. That's not very big. Pictures. Right, they're my original TED pictures. And that is just a snapshot of each TED. Oh no, 2 of orange TED. Right, back to my program. So if you want to save the frame, you just take the file name and you come down here. Yeah, written is to tell whether, if that comes back true, that means it wrote it okay, and if it comes back false, it means there was an error in saving the file. So all you have to do to save that frame is cv2.imwrite to the file name that frame, and that's all you have to do. Right, I will just put this on pause if I knew how to. Bear with me. How do I pause? Pause. Right, this next video is to show that you can actually put a video on top of your camera output. So I will just run it. I'm trying to do something like the Teletubbies. So this is a Teddy, but we'll see how it goes. There we have it. You can see that's live, and then up comes the video, and my hand is behind it because that's on top. And when the video ends, we'll just go back to normal feed. Right, cue out of that. Now this video, this program is very simple. It's just the normal setting everything up. Then I've just done a video capture on the video file that I got from the internet, and then you wait for 100 frames so it doesn't start immediately, and then it just shows the video on top of the Teddy's tummy. Very simple. End of video.